Hi everyone.
Mama.
We will study shapes. Oh, di ka dali dito ka. Okay, shapes. Go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3. Heart. Say heart. Okay, put the heart in. Put the heart in. Good job. Next, get one. Get one, yan. Sector. Good job. Next. Square. Say square. Square. Okay, yay. Next. Hexagon. Yay. Next. Parallelogram. Say parallelogram. Good job. Next. Half round. Half round. Yay. Next. Okay, get one. Get one. Which one? Circle or oval? O, yan naman na oval. Yeah, oval. Good job. Circle. Yay. High five. Triangle. Yay. Fix it. Clap mo. Good job. Ay, tanggal. One more, one more. Opo. Yun. Trapezoid. Say trapezoid. Yay. Rectangle. Yay. And last one is star. Star. Say star. 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 Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you say R. R. Okay. And then take away. Put it here. Put away the toys. Put away the toys. Okay. Last. Ah, yeah, circle. Oval. Oval. Okay, next. Hexagon. Hexagon, yes. Half round. Say half round. Heart. Say heart. Trapezoid. Star. Circle. Sector. Sector. Square. Triangle and rectangular. Yeah! Okay, now the alphabet.